Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today we are going to be tying the head tie, like the Zara Buhari head tie, the normal Mariam Babangida head tie with a twist added to it. So first of all, I'm going to start by fixing her ponytail. Like this wig ponytail we have it's like the kinky afro ponytail. I'm going to be using that. We call it here in the north, we call it achuchimaza. That's what we call it. I think it's translated as cheating of guys. Abi, is it? It's just to give them the idea that we are cheating them, like that, just to give them the illusion of okay, we have long hair, you don't, and all that. You know, we always tie our head down there, so we don't want to we always cover our head, so we don't want to the little ponytail that is going to show. That's what we call a chichumaza. So it's all part of cheating, since we are fixing a wig. So starting off, I'm going to be using a carton, like a carton. I just cut something. I just want the head tie to be looking a little bit longer than usual, so I'm going to be using a carton, fixing it inside and then folding one, like the size of the carton in, and then placing it on her head. I don't know, since the video is very explanatory, you can see what I'm doing, because yeah. So I'm going to be twisting that at the back, just passing one to the other side, the shorter hand. I don't want to twist all the way, like I don't want to twist the hair tie together, so I'm going to be twisting one first and then going over the short one on top of the longer one. That is what I want to do, so you just watch what happens here. So if you loved this hair makeup look, I'm going to be leaving a link down below so you can go watch a full tutorial on how we created her makeup. The makeup is all about color correcting and how to apply pigment, guys. Yep. So I'm going to be twisting the shorter hand on the longer hand. Can you see that I'm going to be leaving that there like this, and then you want the ponytail to show, you want the ponytail to be out, and that's the idea, guys. That's why we wear ponytail here in the north. Normally we don't really do that, but yeah, you want the ponytail to show. And then I'm going to be pinning that down, making it look more like a style, because she's going to be putting on her veil. So as a bride, this traditional attire she's putting on, the event is called kamu. She's meant to cover her head and then her face, like from the back. She's meant to cover her face so that when the families come, her aunties and maybe the in-laws, they'll open her head. So that's the idea behind this, the big veil she's going to be putting on. So for that part of the gele I did not touch. We'll have to wait and see. I'm going to be covering that part, so I never knew it was like this, but I just said it later on behind the scenes. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this is Hadidi Makeovers once again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Subscribe, guys. Let's get to 10K. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.